unleashed, really. We had 5 days to go for the entry fees for Rally Sweden, so I listed my trophy on eBay just to, try and drum up some funds. Just reacted, and on the back of that, some supporters set up some crowdfunding campaigns, and they managed to raise the entry fees in like 5 days for Rally Sweden, which was unbelievable. I never expected that to happen. We were still short a week before Rally Sweden, and then I had an email from Duckham's Oil. They helped make the final part of Rally Sweden happen, and I was just amazed by it all. It's all been a bit of a whirlwind.
Throw me aside at the end of the game. Turn your back 'cause I call your name. Another love gone bad again.
It feels a bit surreal to be actually thinking, how am I going to attack this rally? Because, it was only a couple of weeks ago, it felt like it wasn't going to happen. So to be here and to be thinking about it, it just feels surreal, really. I'm just so grateful for all the support from all the crowdfunders and obviously from the sponsors. It's just incredible, and it's just been such a whirlwind. I can't even believe I'm here, really, and I've not had much sleep either, so it feels a bit dreamy.
Bad again, you're bad again. That you're on your own, hope you feel the pain of your thoughts inside, driving you insane. Now another love gone bad again. Bad again, you're bad again. Well, I'm glad that it's over, 'cause it can't hurt anymore. Hurt anymore. And I will look past my shoulder, 'cause it can't hurt anymore. Hurt anymore. And it's horrible.
They actually managed to fix it in 3 hours. It was amazing. We're a small team, but we've got a big spirit. The brackets that were homologated for the seat, but they were unfortunately not homologated for the car, so we could no longer run, so it was really disappointing.